Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove cosmetics from your garden and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, I have placed 2 cosmetics on my garden and I'm going to remove one of them. For example, I'm going to remove this one, and if you want to remove it, we can click on this icon to open the inventory. And then you're going to tap the cosmetic you want to remove and you will see all these options, and then you just need to click on this icon. Okay, and as you can see that the cosmetic has been removed from my garden and the cosmetic will be back to the inventory. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove cosmetics from your garden and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.